welcome to my channel. I'm Katie, and I'm driving, and I shouldn't have taken my hands off the wheel. Anyways, I'm super excited because I'm going home. Hey, the excitement is for real, you guys. I went home, I think, in November, but usually I go back to my parents' house and my hometown like once a month pre-COVID, once every other month, something like that. But yeah, I'm super excited. I don't know if this video is ever gonna make it up because I didn't ask anybody if they wanted to be filmed, but I'm gonna go see my childhood bestest bestie sister friend, and I love her. And I'm gonna see my brother and my mom and my stepdad and my little brother, and that's all I have planned. I'm gonna see if someone will do the spicy ramen challenge with me. I have that with me and some other spicy stuff. My stomach might be wrecked tomorrow, which hopefully won't suck for me because I'm supposed to get my second round of Pfizer, and so that's a thing. Seriously though, I'm super excited, not only for seeing my family, but you know, car trip, adventure, it's in my name, Miss Adventure. Hey, that's me. How are you doing today? I'm gonna go ahead and concentrate on the road now, but I'll touch base with y'all in a little bit. Bye. I got you, April Fools. Okay, but don't click out of this video yet. I have a huge announcement for you, okay? So maybe some of you have noticed that I haven't been uploading in the past like week and a half, and I usually have like 2 or 3 videos out by now, but I've been putting a lot of time and effort into thinking, creating, and just all the little minuscule details that need to go into this announcement, okay? And the actual thing itself, it's a huge thing. There's gonna be a giveaway. There's just like, I'm ready for this to blow up. It's gonna be the best, okay? But I need y'all to prepare yourself for this announcement, okay? I'm absolutely positive you need to be sitting down. You probably need a glass of water, potentially remove any sharp side corners of tables from your vicinity right now, okay? Because this announcement, can I get a drum roll, please? Okay. I'm going to be starting a gaming Twitch stream. I know. Thank you. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be awesome. I'm gonna be playing a whole lot of games. There's gonna be Uno, you know. I'm gonna have Phase 10. I mean, like, who doesn't love a good family game of Phase 10? Like, really. I've got even like this Austin Powers. I've got a second one, The Spy Who Shagged Me, the card game. Like, I haven't played this yet, but this is going to be a huge just event. I'm probably going to give away one of them. Y'all just wait, okay? I've got, you know, a regular deck of cards. There's going to be, you know, War, ERS, probably a bunch of solitaires, you know, regular solitaire, spider solitaire, free cell, tri-peaks, all the 9 yards I'm pulling out here. I might even put together a whole Magic the Gathering tournament, you know. I mean, like, I could probably do a whole hour on just the art of all of these cards. I mean, look at how gorgeous this stuff is. I'm so excited, you guys. But tonight there's going to be a huge giveaway, and I'm gonna be having a special guest. Okay, so the beginning of this video was actually real. I did go to Raleigh. My stepdad and my brother both are completely immunized for COVID-19, and my mom has her first vaccine. I got my vaccine today for the second one, so in 2 weeks I'm going to be in the clear to just do whatever. And I'm gonna have a special guest, and I can't wait to show you guys. I was in Raleigh, right? And I was just walking in the park with my best friend. You know, we were socially distanced, and we bumped into them. So this is a Raleigh-based YouTuber. They're going to be on my channel. They're actually going to be on my channel. So what I'm gonna need y'all to do, because tonight I am doing a live stream on Twitch, Misadventure. Go check it out, okay? And I'm gonna be ranking all of the solitaire games, okay? So I'm gonna be playing solitaire. Y'all can help me out, you know, be like, oh no, you shouldn't have, you gotta undo that move because this one was a better one, you know, all the 9 yards. Y'all be able to help me play with it and stuff. Not really a good game of solitaire there, you know, but in these days of quarantine, we really need to just unite. And Twitch, gaming streams on Twitch, that's unity right there. You know, it's something that I want to be a part of. And card games are a huge passion of mine. So, like I was saying, tonight on Twitch, Misadventure, okay, go look me up, add me, follow me, add me, follow me, do all the things. I'm going to be doing a huge giveaway, so it's usually $10 to 3 people, something within the $30-$40 range, right? But this time, I'm going to give 2 gift cards away, okay? So the 50th person who comments is going to get a $50 gift card, okay? And I can't be having comments like smiley face, smiley face, smiley face, or one letter at a time spelling out a word and into a sentence into the 50th comment. No, we're not having that. If that happens, if I get spams, I'm gonna have to restart the whole thing, okay? So no spamming, just good old-fashioned united conversation here. That's what we're looking for, okay? But, so the 50th person is going to get a $50 gift card. However, the 100th comment, okay, and are you ready for this? Are you still sitting down? I need to know that you are still sitting down. Okay, so they are going to get a $50 gift card. Can you believe it? I'm giving away $100. That's ridiculous. Okay, so yeah, ranking solitaires. I'm gonna have the usual suspects: solitaire, free cell, tri-peaks, spider solitaire, and you know, spider solitaire is a thing all in its own. It's got 1 suit, 2 suit, 3 suit, 4 suits, you know, and so that's going to be a pretty interesting little thing. It's probably going to be about a 2-hour, 3-hour stream, you know, just playing a game of all of those solitaires together. I mean, like, it's going to be epic, you guys. It's going to be full on epicness. And then mark the date, okay, in your calendar. My special guest, the YouTuber from Raleigh that I bumped into, is going to be there on my stream, okay, on the 10th. No, the 14th? It has to be the 14th. I'm gonna have to call them back and reschedule because we said the 10th, but I'm not gonna be fully immunized until the 14th because it's 2 weeks after your second shot that you're actually fully immunized and able to go out into the world and venture into non-quarantine life, okay? So it's gonna be a thing. And leave a comment down below. Would this game be something that you are interested in winning? Let me see if I could get a good shot of the back of this. I don't even remember what it says at the moment, but yeah, you can read that. Can you read that? I can't tell if you can read that. I hope you can read that. Is it readable, legible, maybe, potentially? I've got the side right here. It's a starter deck. You know, I have no idea if there was a... I have no idea if there was any sort of, like, non-starter decks or just booster packs or anything that you could buy for this. I have no idea how long this card game was around. It was probably just like a whim, you know how they made like, what, 3 or 4 videos or something like that, and so they were just like, yeah, let's make a card game. It's gonna be huge, it's gonna be great. It was probably right around the time that Magic the Gathering was becoming popular and all of that jazz, so they just made a similar type of card game. Austin Powers, The Spy Who Shagged Me card game, collectible card game right here. That's what we have right here. So yeah, I need to know if you would be interested in winning this, and if you're in the area. I'm 2 weeks out from not being quarantined, so leave a comment down below if you're in my area. I'm not anywhere near Raleigh, but I mean, I live in the Carolinas, so if you live in the Carolinas and you live within like $20 gas range from me, you know, if you're in the Carolinas and you're looking to learn how to play The Spy Who Shagged Me, this might be a giveaway. We can play this, we can open this one, and then you could have this one for yourself and play with your family, your friends, probably not the kids in the family. You know, if you've seen the movies, you've seen the movies. If you know, you know, you know? So yeah, I'm gonna be doing that, and it's gonna be a big thing. I think I see big things in my future, you guys. Huge, big things, and I want you to be there. I want you to experience the first stream, the second stream, the fourth streams. Even if you're there for 5 minutes, just go look me up, Miss Adventure, on Twitch. You know, it's gonna be epic. Legend. It's gonna be epic, you guys. It will be legend. Wait for it. Hold up. Just hold on a second. It's a timing thing, you guys. Just hold on. Just remember, it's the first word I said was, yeah, that's right. Hold on, wait. Hold on just a second. Just one more moment, you guys. Hold on. Dairy. It's gonna be legendary. Okay. See y'all there. Bye.